If you're sick of McAfee pop-ups interrupting your work, this video is for you. I'll show you how to stop them completely on both Windows and Mac in just a few minutes. On Windows, open McAfee from the System tray. Click the gear icon to open Settings. Go to General Settings and Alerts. Click Informational Alerts and uncheck all boxes. Click Protection Alerts and set it to minimum. Then click Apply. On Mac, open McAfee. Click the McAfee icon in the menu bar. Go to Preferences, then Alerts. Uncheck all notification boxes. Close the window. Changes save automatically. If McAfee is showing browser pop-ups, open your browser, Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Go to Extensions or Add-ons. Find McAfee Web Advisor. Either disable notifications or remove the extension entirely if you don't need it. If pop-ups persist after these steps, it might be malware disguised as McAfee. Contact McAfee customer service at McAfee.com/support. Use the virtual assistant or call directly. That's how you silence McAfee for good. Like and subscribe for more tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below.